Next example, we will learn how to factorize a more challenging quadratic expression. For this case, 5m squared n squared minus 31mn plus 6. First, we need to check that the expression is arranged according to descending power order. 5m squared n squared minus 31mn and a constant plus 6. We can use the multiplication frame to factorize this expression. First, let us factorize the first term of the expression. 5m squared n squared. You realize that for this term, there is a coefficient 5 and a variable m squared n squared. Let's try to factorize the coefficient first. So 5 times 1 gives us 5. Next, let's just take a look at the variable m squared. M times m gives you m squared. Next, let's factorize the variable n squared. N times n gives you n squared. So therefore, 5mn times 1mn gives us 5m squared n squared. Next, let us factorize the last term of this expression, which is a constant positive 6. So you write the constant on the bottom right of the frame. Let's try to find the factor of 6. So we can try 2 times 3 to give us 6. Now, let's try to multiply to get the remaining terms. 5mn times 3 give us 15mn. Next, 2 times 1mn will give us 2mn. Now, let us check if we add these two remaining terms, it needs to give us the same as the middle term of the original expression. So let's try to add these two middle terms. Therefore, when we add 2m and 15mn together, we realize that we will get 17mn, which is not equals to the middle term of the original expression. Therefore, we need to try to factorize it again by using other factors. Alright, so using the same method, right, we factorize 5m squared n squared, 5mn times 1mn. Now, we try to factorize positive 6. So instead of trying 2 times 3 to give us 6, I will try 1 times 6 to give us 6. But now, you realize that for the middle expression, there's a minus sign here. So therefore, the factors must be a negative number. So perhaps I will try negative 1 times negative 6 to give us a positive 6. Now let's try to multiply these terms. So 5mn times negative 6 gives us negative 30mn. Negative 1 times mn gives us negative 1 mn. Now, let us try to check if we add these two terms. Does it give us negative 31 mn? So negative 1 mn plus negative 30 mn is the same as negative 1 mn minus 30 mn will give us negative 31 mn, which is equal to the middle term of the original expression. Hence, we have completely and successfully factorized this expression. So therefore, 5m square n square minus 31 mn plus 6 would have two factors, which is 5mn minus 1 and 1mn minus 6. And we can write these factors as a product of each other. So 5mn minus 1 bracket multiply by 1mn, or we can simply write it as mn minus 6. So this is how we factorize 5m square n square minus 31mn plus 6.